The Smart Money Woman Wednesday show is a show that inspires women to be more, to be better, to always show up for themselves. There is more to just being a woman, a wife, and a mother. That's where woman economic power plays a huge role in our lives and daily living. This show encourages every woman listening right now to be financially independent. And now, before we talk about financial freedom and independence,
aesthetic stylist, birdie.
I want to ask you listening to me right now, what is independence? What does it mean for one to be independent? Is it freedom? Is it self-sufficiency? Is it the ability to make your own decisions without fear? Tell me what you understand by the word independence and call me now on 08185 939 203. I'm just making this video for memory's sake. Today I'm going for an audition. It's very early. It's like past 5 a.m. this morning. How you all doing? It's your radio girl Esther Sunday. So wish me luck. If this video gets to make it to the internet, fine. If it doesn't, I'm just going to save this video somewhere. Okay, I just want to just create this memory so that I can look back at it. Yes, later. So let's go. I'm late. I hope I get a bus going to Victoria Island for my bus stop. Maybe we could be good. I forgot to mention that this audition I'm going for is like the RuthKadiri production. She posted on her Instagram. My younger sister actually sent me like the screenshot and said, "Oh, go and audition, go and try your best." And everyone has been rooting for me. I'm going to like show you my OOTD for today. Yeah, once I get to the bus, I'm going to take off this wig and just wear my shade. This shade is not for me, it's for Gedera. And just go with my natural hair. So that the breeze will not blow this my hair away. I did not straight this hair. I don't know, I'm just being lazy. Lazy. Let's go. Guys, I came to this audition this morning, thinking I was late. Only for me to see that people are already queuing. I was already thinking, where will I stay? I'm going to show you guys. And share your thoughts as we celebrate women today. I'll take the numbers again. Call me now on 08185 939.
Hello.
Hi, hello. We are live here at the RuthKadiri's production audition. Just show them the crowd. It's actually a mess.
A bloody mess.
I'm reporting live at Lekki Admiralty Road, Lekki Phase 1, at Lekki Center Hall 2. My name is Esther. Stay tuned, more reports coming your way.
Is that a picture though?
Video. So what do we have to say?
Want to go by viral, you know what I'm saying?
So guys, we are here. We came for this audition, and we came for this audition, and it's been crazy since morning. So I don't know if anybody has an experience to share. I know there are experiences all over the place, so let's start with you.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Esther Sunday. I'm a YouTuber and a content creator. Well, I won't really say I'm angry because I came here with an open mind. I came here to social network. I don't mind if I'm picked or not. And I just came here to try my best. I already know that it's going to be a flop, but we are just here hopeful. We are just here waiting. Once it's 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. most of us will be out of here. The audition is not going as planned. It is so disorganized. I'm so sorry. I just want to be truthful as possible. So disorganized. At least courtesy demand that they give us a seat or a shield, okay? So we will not be standing here waiting.
I mean,
it's not fair. Over to you.
So sir, what's your experience so far?
I came here by 5 a.m. in the morning.
5 a.m.?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention. I came here past 6 a.m. I woke up past 4 a.m. I was thinking I'll be the first person to be here, and I'll look for a place to just hang around before they start.
Oh my God.
To my greatest surprise, I met people on the queue. Nigerian youth are determined. They're not gonna give up. They're not gonna give up. Please feature me in your movie. I don't even need audition. I don't need audition. This is all that you need. Feature me.
What did this guy do? So me, I will just say that I got here by 5 a.m. in the morning, and waiting this guy to do now. So I got here by 5 a.m. in the morning, and they are telling us that, oh, don't worry, as an actor, As an actor, you have a story to tell. I'm here to tell you, I don't want to tell anybody my story.
As in,
May they go listen to a Yeriko story or that they are Deboye story. That one is very touchy and very captivating. I'll not tell you my story. The money I find. So that is why I'm here to tell you that. I don't want to tell you my story. I've been here since. I want to audition me. May they audition me. May they audition me.
No need for audition. It's not second the audition.
okay, so sister, what do you have to say?
They said it all.
They've said it all.
They've said everything. What else?
Talk your mind.
Talk your
I wasn't
mind.
expecting to meet a crowd.
Say it
here.
out. Say it out.
Imagine, I wasn't expecting to meet a crowd. Here. I thought,
Okay,
She was going through wild imaginations.
okay. You
I'm
thought
telling
since
you,
the audition already
I
held
came yesterday
yesterday.
from Disneyland because I thought I was going to get here 8 a.m. just go in, do your thing and leave. But
I mean,
as it is,
it's crazy.
But she didn't know she's in Nigeria, West Africa.
Well, this is Nigeria, and this is how we do
I
things
came all the way from
sometimes.
Wakanda. You know, you were asking, where did you come from?
So, guys, you can hear from them. It's terrible. It's terrible. Like we came here for an audition, and some of us have been here since 5. Some people were here since 4, like 4 a.m. 5 a.m., 6 a.m. I got here at about 8 something, and up till now, in fact, the development right now is that the people who got here for 8 a.m. audition, in fact, everybody that was here for today's audition should go, and they're going to have some feedback as to when they would be needed for their own audition.
So hi guys, we are live here at RuthKadiri production. We are here for no, you know go show. We are here for an audition, and the audition right now is actually a mess. Trust me, it is raining, you guys. Like the crowd is insane. It is raining.
If I was really like,
It is raining. It is raining. So more updates coming, more reports coming. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I didn't do it well. I didn't need that guy then.
controversy or problem. This is the best for me to blow.
Hi everyone, it's your radio girl Esther Sunday, and of course I have a lot of updates, so like I need to put you guys on what's been going on. So today is my first day at work as a volunteer, so please support your girl. Go and listen to me, listen to us at Wash FM 94.9. Please support your girl, okay? I want to see you all. You listen to me. You can listen to us online. Follow us on Instagram, on all social media platforms at Watch FM 94.9. Okay? I love you. I love you all. Today we search. In fact, let me not talk. I didn't know what's wrong with it. I'm super excited because the Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it. The stomach is big. I came with my lunch, and yeah, so I'm hoping and I pray that this phase of my life is going to take me to greater heights. I'm going to learn, incorporate the things that I've been learning, implement the things that I've been learning, and I promise that I just pray that God helps me. I don't even know what to say. I pray that God helps me, that my learning phase will not be difficult and stressful. I will not find anything difficult. It should just put me on the right track when it comes to thinking, ideas, writing and everything. God, please have my back. Okay, send your angels to go with me, to help me. Very important. So as you guys see my nails, they are very, very crusty. When I was actually doing this, something warned me not, but I did not listen. Now I don't know how to clean this up. I really do not know how to clean this. I think I'm going to get a nail dissolver. This month is my birthday, by the way. This month is my birthday. I need to braid my hair. I don't want to wear a wig. I need peace of mind. I need to braid my hair, and what else again? I also need to do my nails. This birthday, I need to look pink. I need to look good. 203 and share your thoughts as we celebrate women today. Remember, today is Women Crush Wednesday, and you are on the Smart Money Women Wednesday show with Esther Sunday, your radio girl, on your lifestyle station CT 105.1 FM. This morning, I'm starting with a beautiful song titled.
As far as this is concerned, welcome to the broadcast. My name is Anthony Del Melda. You know how we do it here on Nigeria's Health-centric radio station, Washington 94.9 FM. I'm bringing to you Ilera Echo. For those who might be listening for the first time, it's a program that aims to shed light on the many programs that the government has made available for you as far as its health insurance scheme is concerned. And also, the health scheme is a flagship initiative by the Lagos State government, which is designed to provide for you accessible, affordable, and quality healthcare to all residents of Lagos State, regardless of how much you earn or your social class. This project is also managed by LASHMA, that's Lagos State Health Management Agency. And so, by virtue of this scheme, you as a Lagosian, you living in Lagos can have access to a wide range of healthcare services, from general consultations to surgeries, maternal care, chronic, disease management, and more, without having to fall into any form of hardship. That is the sole aim and purpose of the scheme. That being said, today we're talking about Ilerantiwa Cooperative. Ilerantiwa Cooperative 2609 0704 100. Is it Ilerantiwa or Ilerantiwa Cooperative?
Ilerantiwa.
Ilerantiwa. Okay.
Ilerantiwa Cooperative was launched in 2024, December 2024. At least by the end of this year, it will become 2 years old. And it has been a wonderful time being part of the program and being part of the project. Decided to initiate this to help the masses, in the sense that they get back what they see and their health coverage is also covered. And that's what we...
A song titled Shekere by Yemi Alade. Your lifestyle station with Esther Sunday, and you're listening to the Smart Morning Women Wednesday show. Now, before we went on a music break, I asked you a question: what does independence mean? Well, we got a couple of calls from you explaining what you understand by the word independent. And now let me explain in simple terms. Independence in simple terms means self-sufficient, freedom, self-reliant, dependable. It is someone who can make decisions and choices for themselves. Independence means fearless, standing tall no matter what. Now, quick question for you again, listening to me right now.
Hi, yes, how are you doing?
I'm okay. I'm doing great.
Alright. Yes, are you ready for today's conversation? Because this conversation, it gets us to be hot. Right. 9 a.m. For someone that's been at the bus stop from 5, waiting up until 9 a.m. to get a vehicle to go to work is a lot. So she said that anytime somebody was, speaking to her about stopping, they have to stop her. Why do you think they needed to stop her from making the videos?
Okay, thank you. I think Nigerians have a little bit of insecurities, right? Nigerians are not educated about content creation, and I feel that the only offense you've created as a human being is when you record people without their consent. And I see things like a lot of YouTubers back in the days will, complain that whenever they go to a store to shop, you will see people telling them, oh, cameras are not allowed here, you're not allowed to record. But what they do not know is that you are getting your brand advertised for free.
For free, yeah.
Yes. So that woman